Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials and entering calibration mode. Connect power and let the GX 2009 warm for 20 minutes so sensors stabilize. Once warmed, attach the calibration adapter and verify the detector reads clean air for the 0 step. If it drifts more than the spec, replace sensor or repeat warm-up. Make sure gas cylinder pressures are within range and tubing fits snugly. Now press the mode/menu sequence to access CAL. Then select the gas channel you will calibrate. You now apply the span gas. Open the regulator to a steady 0. 5L/min and place the tubing on the sensor inlet. Wait for the display to stabilize, typically 60 to 90 seconds, because the sensor needs time to respond. Once stable, compare the reading to the cylinder ppm. Use the device's span adjustment or trim control to match the exact ppm value. If the reading won't reach target, confirm flow, cylinder concentration, and that the sensor is healthy. Then repeat the span step until accurate. You finish by returning to 0 gas to confirm the baseline is within the manufacturer tolerance, and then save the calibration settings to memory. Make sure the unit exits CAL mode properly. Log the date, your name, cylinder lot, and any offset values in the maintenance record. If readings are unstable or out of range, first check flow and fittings, swap regulators or gas, and verify sensor age. If problems persist, replace the sensor or consult service. This single troubleshooting step catches most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.